Welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at our blog post, all the blog post screen, and edit one of them. So from your home screen, click on either post in the drop-down box, or from the menu, the dashboard, you can click on view. But now here, I'm going to click on post and then all posts. And from here, you will have a screen that at the top it says home, all posts, and then underneath it, you will have a button in which you can click on it to create a new blog post, followed by bulk action. In case if you want to delete all your blog posts for whatever reason, you can pick this option. But in order for you to do that, pick this option, you have to select whichever one you want. You can select this one, or this one, or if you like, you want to select them all, you could just click on where it's the button that says select. It's going to select them all, and you can click on under the bulk action, click on delete. A confirmation will come up here. Are you sure you want to delete 2 posts or however number of posts that you have? If you clicked on yes I am, then it's going to delete them and get them out of your all post screen. Or if you say no, it's gonna do nothing. So I'm gonna uncheck this, and let's go through this table, which has all list of your table, all your blog posts. And on this view, you will see all the blog posts in a chronological order, meaning oldest one will be at the bottom and the newest one will be at the top. However, you can sort them by clicking on any of the table columns. So for example, if I want to click on the title, if I click once, it's going to sort it, however, in alphabetical order. If I clicked again, it's going to reverse the order. And then similarly, you can click on any of the columns, it's going to sort it as well. Followed by, if you like to search for a particular blog post title or something like that, you can use a functionality under the search box on the top right hand side as you start typing. So for example, if I type in POS, it's going to start filtering for that particular phrase or keyword. If I delete it, it's going to unfilter everything. So that's how you do the search. And then we have one of the columns being author name. We have statuses, whether it is a draft status or publish. Then we have access type, whether it'll be a public or link access. And we already talked about it in great detail in another video. And then in here, it's going to list all the different categories that this particular blog post is associated with, and the total number of views that this particular blog post has, and then when it was published. And then if you want to view it on the front hand side, you could just click on the button view, and it will open up a new tab where you can view it. Or if you like to edit, you can edit it. If you like to completely delete this, you click on the delete, a confirmation will come up. It will tell you, hey, this is the post and its editor is admin. Are you sure you want to delete it? You can say yes I am, and it's going to delete it, or you can say no and it will do nothing. And last but not least, reset views to 0. So if you are doing a test, or rather writing your blog post, there's going to be a time when you have to view it to see what it looks like visually. So you go to view the post, and then every time you view a post, it's going to update this counter to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. However, if you want that counter to be reset to 0, so when other people view your post, then this counter will be valid number if you are looking at your analytics or whatnot. So you could do that just simply clicking on reset view. You click this link, and then it's going to come up and say, hey, currently there are 2 views for this blog post by this author. Are you sure you want to zero it out? You say yes, and then as you saw, 2 went to 0. And now let's edit this particular blog post by clicking on edit. And now you will see a screen similar to when you went to add a new blog post. You can do everything that you did when you originally created it. You can edit the title, you can edit the URL, and you can edit the post teaser, and as well as any of the other functionality that you see here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in, change this 2 to 3, and then publish it. So it's published. So if I go back to my main site, now this 2 will be replaced with 3. And it's loading, and there it is. And this will conclude this video. And in the next future video, we will look at another section of NodePress.js framework.